Hello everyone, welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. As you saw in the intro, I'm going to be showing you how to make a punch script in Roblox. So what we're going to want to do first is we're going to need a punch animation. So you can go to the avatar tab, spawn in your rig, your character, whatever, and then you can start animating with the animation editor. In this tutorial, I'm not going to show you how to animate, but there are great resources on other YouTube videos, or Roblox has their own website. You can check that out. I'll leave a link in the description. But I already have my animation, so I'm going to go ahead and create a local script into starter character scripts. And then I'm going to type this code once I can delete hello world. Alright. Type this code right here. So here you can change Q to whatever key you want to be pressed when we punch. Like E would be fine too, F, any key really. And then here you can change just the damage, you change it to whatever you want. I just set it as 10 for now. So here also on the cooldown, or I guess this wait one right here, this is my cooldown. This is about how long my punch animation is. So just set that to how long your animation is, and then it'll be perfect. Unless you want to have the rapid punch, I guess. Alright, so right here we're going to need to put a remote event into replicated storage. Let's do that really quickly. I'm going to call it punch. And then right here we're going to invoke that. So I'm just going to call that really quick. Punch. Fire this to the server. Fire the opponent's humanoid. And then the damage we want to do. And we want to set finally damage to false. Well, actually, we should also put wait one here. Alright, so that's the end of our local script. So now we can go ahead and put a server script in the server script service, where we're going to receive the remote event. Just getting that replicated storage. Call it punch. On server event. Get a slow function going here. Our parameters gonna be, I guess, arguments. Player humanoid and damage. Gonna gives the opponent some damage here. Alright. That should be it. We created animation here. We got our animation ID, loading that all. I think we're good. Okay, let's go try it out. Now this punch shouldn't have any knockback. Yep, that's my punch animation right there. But if you guys want to see me, there we go. Yep. If you guys want to see me do a video of some knockback with this punch, you can make a part 2. Yeah, perfect. You can also add some sound effects to that punch. That'd be great. But for now, I'm just gonna get a little zombie here, so I can really test it out. All right, I'm not gonna be able to move it. There we go. All right, here we go. Spamming Q. He's low. Oh no, this guy does insane damage. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please feel free to give me a like and write a comment. If you got any suggestions or any questions, I'd be happy to help you. And yeah, that's all I gotta say. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.